In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off video autoplay on the YouTube homepage. Before we dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down below and we can help you out further. But autoplay can obviously be very annoying when videos automatically start playing as you browse, as they're doing for me right now. To actually turn it off, what you're going to want to do is actually go to the bottom right corner and select on the U button. And from this page, go ahead and select the gear icon up in the top right corner to open up your settings. From here, you're going to want to scroll down just a little bit until you find the video and audio preferences section and find playback and open it up. And once you're on playback, go ahead and find the section that says playback in feeds. Simply go ahead and select it and turn it to off. You can also turn it to Wi-Fi only if you'd like. It's completely up to you. But now when you go back to that YouTube homepage, as you can see, it's not going to go ahead and start auto playing, which is honestly a good thing because I don't even know what this video is right here, and I don't want to have it autoplay. But yeah, if you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.